Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Just sitting out on the porch, enjoying Nature Symphony. And this is an old rock my son found. It reminded me of a story. When we were little, we used to go to this lake. We'd swim, just kind of a Tom Sawyer, Huckleberry Finn type situation. Just having, good memories. There was a rope swing, and we'd go that rope swing and just swing and swim, and all of us were good swimmers. Well, there was this boat kept going by, and it was these young guys. Well, they shot us the finger a few times, and we more than likely shot it back. Well, they started running their mouth, and these were guys, a lot bigger than us. They're probably 6 years older. Well, they kept getting closer and closer, and we knew what they were about, and so we just sat on the bank. And one of the guys, I'll call him C. C could throw a rock. He was like Crocodile Dundee. And I didn't realize it, but C had already got prepared. He knew what was coming. And so finally one of them jumped off. He got real close and jumped off, and he was headed straight toward us. And I think he had a boat paddle in his hand. And I don't know if he was just playing around and going to scare us or what. Well, C cut loose with that rock. He hit that guy right in the forehead, and blood went everywhere. So that was our cue to get the heck out of Dodge. So ended up, we ran, and there was a road. We figured we were being followed at that point. So we broke off the road and kind of sat in the woods for a little while talking, kind of developing a game plan. If a car had come by, we'd kind of look, see who it was, and none of those guys left that boat to come looking for us. And we don't know that they really had a good look at us. I mean, we were, not all that close, but not all that far away, really. So we went back to where we were staying, and we separated because we weren't staying at the same place, and we kind of laid low, didn't hang around each other. And there was a guy who was a guide called Winfield, and evidently they were asking Winfield about us, trying to track us down. And he had told them that we had left with our parents, and because they were described us. He said, yeah, he said they were gone. He said that they left a little while ago. Because Winfield let me know just that they were looking for us, but that was the end of what we heard of it. And I hadn't seen C in 50 or more years, but I always wonder if he could still chunk a rock like he used to. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.